guys, it's Melanie, and today we have a very exciting video. First off, I got my nails did, as you can probably tell because I posted a lot because I was really excited, and I'm gonna keep throwing up peace signs because I'm so excited about my nails. But as you can see, these bad boys are long, okay? Long, I tell you. So I can barely, like, I can't do anything. Like, I was trying to make breakfast, it was a struggle. I was trying to type, I can't type. I couldn't cut my watermelon, it was a hard day, okay? That's beside the point. I'm just pointing out my nails make it very hard to do stuff. So this might be a challenge, but whatever. My room is pretty messy. Just a little overview. That's me. So basically, I guess that's the before. But basically, I figured it would be fun to bring you guys along while I clean and redecorate my room because I like to be festive, you know? And I feel like my room's just like been the same for a while, and I want to make it a little more fall, autumn, like in the season, because I freaking love fall and I want it to look like fall threw up in my room. Not threw up, but like fall is, my room is fall. Yes. So we're gonna get started. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're just gonna go with it. The first thing I need to do is clean up this stuff, but this is basically what it looks like before I film a haul, because I just throw everything like in a random area and I'm like, oh, it's for the haul, and then that's like laundry. So I mean, I don't really know what to do with that, but you know, we'll figure stuff out. So before you can get to the fun stuff, which is all the decorating, I have to do the boring stuff, which is all the cleaning, which I literally hate, but we'll just do it really quick, bust that out, you know. You're going on a tripod right now. That's good enough. I hate doing laundry. And if you were wondering what that sound is, like the sound, okay, I don't know how to describe it, but I have a heater thingy majigger in my room because you know how I always complain about how my house is freezing? Yeah, so it's so freezing. Or actually, it's just my room. Like, I don't know why the rest of the house is fine, but my room is freezing. So I need an air heater. I don't even know that's what it's called. And then, I don't know if you guys do this, but I always wear like the same, okay, I always wear like the same thing for pajamas like every night, which is basically like a crew neck and shorts. Also, I have to wear shorts even if I'm freezing, which I'm always freezing. I have to wear shorts. So I always wear like a sweatshirt and shorts, and I wear the same like pajamas for like, I said pajamas the first time and then I said pajamas. Okay, but I have to wear, wait, what am I saying? I wear the same pajamas, I like pajamas more. I wear the same pajamas for like a week straight. So I just like leave them on my floor basically. I don't know if that's disgusting, but it's the truth. So clean, go me. Okay, well, I'm just gonna consider this clean. So, yeah. Okay, so now that I cleaned a little bit, I'm gonna decorate a little. So I'm basically just gonna change some of the stuff going on up here and up there, like the decorated little stuff. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. Okay, so I have this little thing. It's a chalkboard. I don't think I have any chalk, so I'll figure that out later. But I'm gonna probably put a cute little quote on here. And then I also got this the other day. I thought was pretty cool. I got this at TJ Maxx and it was like $5, so I was like, why not? I think, where should I put it? This is difficult, man. I think I'm gonna keep the plaque there because, duh. I'm very short. How did I even get these up here? I need my chair. Ah! My plant is so dead. That's so sad.
my shoulder.
I think we're gonna leave it like that for now. Sorry, that was like the ugliest scream ever, but I dropped my pumpkin. But I got this pumpkin. It was a steal. It was like $1. Thanks, Safeway. I'm gonna put that next to my M.
Perfect!
Oh, I know what I can do. Little sprucing this adorable book that I never read. Because I'm fake like that. Oh, that looks good though. Okay. On to the next step. Okay, so I have this little chalkboard. And I just wrote think positive because I couldn't come up with the quote. But I'm probably going to change it later. But I'm just going to hang this up somewhere. Okay, now I'm going to hang these lights around my mirror. Funny story, the batteries in here like corroded, and so I had to like clean it out. It was so nasty. There was like liquid. It was kind of scary. I don't know if I should be using this, but whatever. Okay, freaking 30 minutes later, I finally untangled all my freaking gosh dang fairy lights. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. I also have this little rug from IKEA. I'm gonna put this under here. Ah! I need like tape or something.
Put your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, baby? Just a kiss goodnight, baby.
Yay! Ain't that cute? Now going to this corner of my room where my bed is. I'm just gonna do a few things. I'm gonna take these lights down just because I don't really want them up anymore. And then I'm gonna put some cool pillows. So first I'm gonna make my bed. What I do for my pillows is I like to change them up a lot. So I just make my own little like pillowcases by just like getting fabric and like wrapping it around the pillows. So first off, I have a plain burgundy pillow, which is fine. And then I just got these like pieces of flannel fabric from like Joann's. I've had them for a long time. And then I have like this pillow, which obviously not my style anymore. So basically all I do is wrap this pillow. I literally fold it like it's a present. And then I have my own little flannel pillow. So I'm going to do that again with another piece of fabric to my other pillow.
Put your head, excuse me.
I still have this pink one, and I was trying to get rid of like the pink in my room, but then it gets kind of covered up anyway, so I don't see why it matters. That looks a bit better. Okay, so I'm just going to show you some finishing touches. This is what the rug looks like. And I think it looks really cute with my guitar here. And then I also have these little pumpkins, which I painted. I think they're real cute. And then this is what my bed looks like. And then my desk pretty much stayed the same. It's kind of messy right now because I was doing homework because scholar. And then I also have this painting that I made a long time ago. And I just found it randomly and I was like, hey, that's pretty good. So I decided to put it up and put a little color, but I really like how this area looks. And then I had this slab of wood, I don't know why, so I just put that there. And then I put my little ring dish. This is from Daiso. And then this frame with a quote that my mom gave me a while ago. And then that's my piggy bank that I painted. So yeah, here's a little overview of my room. It's still a little messy, Like my desk is messy and that's still there. Just ignore that. But you guys get the idea. So guys, sorry if this video was a little bit like weird or boring or whatever, but I hope you guys enjoyed and hope you like my room. This part's still really like blank, so maybe I'll put something up there. If you have ideas for what I should put up here, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Put your head on my shoulder.